More than a week after the deadly tornado outbreak hit the Houston area, many homeowners are scrambling to protect their properties ahead of the stormy weather later this week.
Absolutely. That includes more than 200 homes in Montgomery County where they're still cleaning up the mess. Amanda Henderson spent the day talking with folks who are banding together to get through this next round of rough weather. Amanda.
Less than 2 weeks after a devastating tornado tore through Montgomery County, piles of damage are still here. And as the temperatures continue to drop, the number of questions continue to rise on what exactly is going to be done for homes like these that are not only damaged, but demolished. Home is a special place for Sheila Wright Salazar.
I'm grateful that the people in this neighborhood take care of each other.
Especially as the Montgomery County homeowner continues to pick up the pieces from a devastating tornado from the end of the year.
There was a gentleman on the news on our page, and he said that he needed blankets because his whole wall was gone. Everybody's really come together. It's very nice, and they're like, hey, I need this, and people are like, hey, I got you.
With bitter temperatures settling in, Sheila is not only protecting the outside of her home, but also the inside by repairing damages such as her windows.
I'm worried about what else is out there and who's not getting the help they need.
We'll evaluate those requests if they come in.
Jason Millsaps is with Montgomery County's Emergency Management Office. He says officials have been sweeping neighborhoods to check in on those who were impacted by the recent tornadoes.
We did drive-bys with Small Business Administration and our team checking in on stuff and just making sure the neighbors don't have any needs. And
Millsaps says they stand ready to help with any requests they receive.
the commissioner's offices all banded together and surged resources to start picking up debris.
Montgomery County officials say overall the most important thing is if you have any damage or any questions about your damage, to ask them. So that way they can put it on a list of things that they need to address. In Montgomery County, I'm Amanda Henderson, KHOU 11 News.